1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Pharrell Williams, Happy. Oldie but goodie. Okay, so if you play along with the record, you're gonna have to tune down the whole guitar one step to E flat and play the same things we're learning here. So we're in standard tuning E. They're in E flat. Is that right? Or they're in cape? Actually, put a cape on 1. That's what it is. You could put a cape on 1 and play the same thing we're learning. Yeah. Cool. Right, so the song is E shape. We've got this going on. So we've got a full E chord and then we got a bunch of single notes. That works good on the acoustic guitar. It starts with 4 hits on E. E, grab 3 on the low E string, play an A power chord, which is open A and 2 on D, and then grab 2nd on A, which is a B, and then play open D, back to A, and then grab G. Tricky. When you play the G note, you can play more than just one note. You can hit the E and the A and the D string. A, B. The main verses. And then we got for the chorus, I'm so happy. We got C major 7, which is 2 on D, 3 on A. To it's like a B minor, just 2A, 2 G string. And you can add the pinky on 2E. It's part of the melody to E major. I'm so happy. 2, 3, chorus. Cool. That's all the parts. So there it is. Just the verses and the chorus. Okay. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.